Hey, what's happening, heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, what we got? That what? That weekly heat, baby.
Sir,
That
weekly.
weekly heat. So these are the shoes that come out from 7th through the 13th of July. Go and start us off, my brother.
Black cement. These are football cleats. We are ready for football. We are some true football fans. You see, I'm rocking that black and yellow. Yes, sir. Black
Yes,
and
sir.
yellow. Yes, sir. Black and yellow. But these cleats here, they Jordan Brand, they really stay true to the original design. Got the familiar color blockings that you normally see with the Jordan 3s. Black cement. The base is made out of that black tumble leather, lighted with that signature elephant print that they always go with. I love that they did keep that red Jumpman on the tongue of the shoe. I really digging that. And then I like what they did with the Jumpman on the back, making it a clean white. Overall, this is a nice shoe. Keeps that rubber outsole. And Jordan Brand feels that it would get better, feel traction having that rubber outsole. But overall, this is a nice, clean cleat for football. I am a true fan. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I'm rocking these as well. I know if I had a kid, I would definitely buy these for them. It is a classic shoe, and this shoe is being built true to form on the top. The only difference is it will have that cleat at the bottom. For those that want to do a sole swap, this might be a good opportunity if you're into that. Change out the sole and you'll have your early black cement 3, but I am rocking the 3s. That is my favorite silhouette, so I am rocking those again. Let us know down in the comments in your heads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So the next shoe and the last shoe on the list, we do have dropping on July 13th as well, same day. These are technically considered a WNBA collaboration. This is the Air Jordan 3. They're calling these Techs. This is overall camouflage shoe in that tan colorway with brown and white throughout. Overall, this shoe looks like the Air Jordan 5 Supreme back in the day, but this will have the WNBA logo displays on the insole. This shoe will be coming out on July 13th for $200 in women's sizing. And this shoe does predominantly camouflage. It does have that white midsole throughout. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, we do have that gum bottom shoe that's uniquely done. I think it fits this shoe perfectly. Tan overlays at the top. Looking at the back, we do see that tan tab with the Air Jordan Jumpman in black. Overall, this is a clean shoe. It does have a special tag in red, but they'll be looking like a dog tag, the Air Jordan on it. Looking at the tongue, we do have the Air Jordan popping out in white. Overall, this is just a simple shoe. Even though this is a collaboration, I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of disappointed in the shoe because being that this is a WNBA collaboration, I thought it should have more WNBA branding. However, I'm not mad at these. You can only see the WNBA logo on the inside of the insole. And so once you put the shoe on, like no one's gonna really know unless you know these are a WNBA collaboration. But I am rocking these due to the fact that this is a special collaboration in the event of WNBA All-Star Game, which does come out on July 20th. We will be seeing some of the new rising stars as Clayton Clark playing. But let us know down in the comments if you have any favorite WNBA players. But I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
I don't really get where Jordan Brand was going with this. I like the shoe. I like what it represents, the WNBA. It just the timing. I mean, could it have been closer to Veterans Day, maybe? I don't get the camouflage.
They threw in them brown laces for you. They changed the
And,
laces for you, them brown laces for you.
right. Well, something. I mean, I will be dropping these. I will be dropping these because it really don't really make any sense where they were going with this shoe. I like the collab with the WNBA. I do agree with you. I wish they would have really pushed the WNBA on this shoe logos or something to let you know what they're doing there. But I don't really see where Jordan Brand going with this. Drop us a comment down below if either you agree or disagree. But I will be dropping those, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.